Hello folks, CA Pratik Neve this side from Zest Learning. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. So my dear CA student friends, those who are preparing for September 2025 exams or Jan 2026 exam, this video is especially for you. Do watch it till the end. If you are struggling in any topic in tax, then friends, I have got a nice solution for you. I have all the pre-recorded lectures for you, okay, from the exam oriented perspective. So I will just like to take a moment and share with you the lectures which we have taken. Okay, so see this, as far as CA intermediate is concerned, we have taken sessions and we have nicely recorded it. When I talk about GST, then entire GST we have recordings of about 60 hours. Can you check this? We have recording of about 60 hours. In this 60 hours, we have covered entire GST wonderfully well. Okay. So for example, friends, just take for example, you have doubt in the topic of TDS and TCS under GST. What you have to do? You have to just go to session number 28. I have maintained this Excel file for you. Yes, serial number, topic, how much time that session is of in minutes, and for more convenience I have told you it is for how many hours. So for example, as a student you have doubt in TDS TCS topic in GST, then what you have to do, just go to session number 28, open session number 28. You know you have to dedicate 102 minutes, that is 1.7 hours for that session. Go ahead, watch that, get the doubts clarified. So this not only has provisions, this has sums also relevant from exam perspective. Okay, for example, you want to do well your topic of say input tax credit under GST. Then yes, go to session number 12. From session number 12 to session number 17, your ITC will get done. Okay, so this way you have all the pre-recorded lectures. Okay, from the exam oriented perspective, you can use them. You can use them for the entire subject of tax, or you can use them for specific topics. This is about GST. Sir, do we have income tax also? 100% yes. If you go ahead, if you scroll down, you will get income tax sessions as well. We have done entire income tax, which is covered in about 70 hours. Okay, so if you take total tax, it is 70 hours plus 60 hours. In about 130 hours, you will get entire tax. Okay, so suppose you have got doubt in say topic of capital gain. So go ahead, start with session number 23 to 27 and cover your capital gains, and you already know in advance how much time you are going to need to cover it. So this way friends, I have given you detailed solution via our lectures. So where are these lectures available? You will be having that doubt. So very simple, you have to download our app. The name of our app is CA Pratik Neve's Zest Learning. I repeat, name of our app is CA Pratik Neve's Zest Learning. CA Pratik Neve's Zest Learning. You will download this app from the Play Store, from the Google Play Store. You will download this app, and if you are using iPhone, then you will download My Institute. Which app you will download? My Institute. You will download My Institute app and you will put the code XQJRO. Okay, you will get all the details in this store. So what you have to go to the app. In the app, you have to go to the store section. Okay, so I will just take you to the store section so that you understand friends that you know what exactly is the price of these lectures and how you can subscribe them. Very simple. See this, you have to go to stores. You will go to recent courses. You can take entire batch of GST and income tax at unbelievable price of 2000. Yes, the original price is 4000. It's a fast track batch. Now we have made it 2000. Okay, you can go for this pre-recorded batch. Secondly, if you want only GST, you can go for 970 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. And if you want to go for entire income tax, it is for 1500 rupees. Believe me friends, you will not get such quality lectures at so low prices anywhere else. This I am doing it only for you because I know many students struggle in tax. Okay, so you make 100% use of these sessions. And friends, of course, we have CA final indirect taxes lectures as well. So if you want to refer our lectures to anyone, go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm 110% sure that it will be very beneficial for all of you. Okay, so go ahead and make maximum use of this. If you need any other help from my end, please do mention in the comment. I will, like to reply to the comments. Thank you so much for listening to me very carefully. Please share this with your CA inter as well as CA final friends and make yourself comfortable in the subject of tax and go ahead and achieve your dream of being professional. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and stay blessed.